In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this problem. So first let's identify the problem. What is the problem? Actually, see, when I was running this program, it was saying error running main, cannot run program in C users and this thing, the path and Python exe. But now I am in D. So it is saying we cannot run the Python from C to the D. Right? We are in the D drive now. My project is saved in D drive, as you can see here. D PyCharm projects hello world, like that. Okay, so we have to install the Python in D drive also to run it. So what we can do? So we have to go to the Chrome and install the Python in D drive. So we'll go here and write Python, download, and then we will go to the first website, that is python.org. Please download from the original website, Python 3.10. Okay, now you have to download it and D Python. Okay, directly download it into the D drive. Before downloading it, do one thing: create a new folder for Python in the D drive, so it will be easy for you to identify where your Python is, like this. Okay, it is downloaded, but downloading is not enough. You have to show in folder and you have to run it as administrator, like this. And the very main part, you have to add it to the path and customize installation. Okay, do the customize installation, and then yeah, we need all of these. And then next, yeah, pre-compiling, install for all users, very recommended. And then download debugging symbols, that is not necessary, but you can do it. So you have to browse once again. Let us select that Python, this PC, and then D drive, and then Python, this one. Okay, so D Python, and you have to install it. It will be installing very super fast based on your computer. My computer is very fast, so it will be doing very fast. Let's wait for a few seconds. See, it has started the installation, and as you can see, it is extracting all the files here in this folder, in the Python folder. See, it is installing all the things, that test2, debugging symbols, and all that you have selected. Okay, now as you can see, the installation has been done. So you can close this from here. And then let's go back to the PyCharm now, here, and configure the Python interpreter. And you have to click on interpreter settings. Okay, or you can click add interpreter, any of them. You will be redirected here, and then click on new environment, and here you have to select the base interpreter. But now we have installed the base interpreter in our D drive, so let's select that. I will go here and browse my D drive. Let me close all. Okay, now I am in D drive, see. So I will go here in the projects, but it is directly in this D drive only. Let me close this. Yeah, see, D and Python. I will open this and I will select that exe file from here. See, Python exe, and then I will click on OK. Nice. So the base interpreter is selected, but there is one problem. See, it is saying environment location directory is not empty. That means we have to make it empty. So let's go here in the venv, this one. So how I have opened this? I have done one simple thing, that is I have just copied the path from here, like this, Control C. I have gone to this one, and here I have pasted the path, and that's it. Okay, and then you just have to select all the things and you have to delete it. That's it. Let's minimize this, and now it is not showing that warning, right? So let's click on OK and see if it works. So it is creating a virtual environment. Nice. Now I can't see that thing at the top. that invalid Python interpreter, but still it will not be able to run because see, it is doing some task here down. It is updating the skeletons and it is loading, so you have to wait for it to complete. It will take some time according to the configurations of your computer. My computer is very fast, so it will take some less time, I think. Okay, meanwhile you can chill, relax and have a coffee. Let me click on run and see if it works. I know it will not, but oh, it has worked. See, now there is no problem in running my Python, right? So this how you can do all the stuff in Python. So we have resolved that error. So if it helps you, please click on the subscribe button and hit the like button. See you in the next session.